Hey guys, welcome back to another Making It with the Matthews vlog. Today is Friday, August 5th, and it's my hubby's almost 40th birthday. Pre-dinner snack. Is that what that is? A pre-dinner snack? They're having chicken tacos. I'm having a burger. This one's still in bed. What you doing in bed? What you doing in bed? Huh? What you doing? What you doing tired?
Me asleep.
Wait, what I do?
Me asleep.
Me asleep? At 6 o'clock at night. And this one is outside hanging. Your chicken taco is ready.
Okay.
You enjoyed the pool all day?
Yeah.
You a pool man?
Mhm.
All you do is, oh wow, it's so hot.
No.
That's all? You just gonna eat it dry? Nothing? Ooh, yum. Nothing? No sauce? You don't like sauces? It's dry. And this is my dinner. It's a bacon cheeseburger. So good, y'all. So good. So we're about to head out to the reggae festival and, you know, celebrate as best we can. He just got back from Vegas, so he did a lot of celebrating. This is my outfit of the day. Show them your outfit. Cute. Turn around. Cute.
Do you like it?
Yeah. You ready to roll?
This is my bag now.
Oh, you really like it?
It looks cute.
Yeah, you do. Super cute. Okay, let's go. So tomorrow's hubby's birthday.
Yeah, we only work for 40.
And here's the rule for his birthday. So because it's his 40th birthday, we're allowing him to ask for 40 things and we can't say no.
Wait, we're included in this? Just for you?
No, all of us. Including music. 40 things, and we just have to count down to what number it's on so he doesn't take advantage of us.
Music, when I say sit, you better sit.
That's one already.
When I say come, you better come.
That's one already.
It ain't tomorrow. Sit tomorrow.
I did a TikTok dance. Thanks to this girl.
Did you send it to her?
The girls.
Huh?
Save that. You saved the last one?
Look how we're sweating.
Woo! The music's starting back. You guys ready to go back? All right. I'm about to leave them. I'm about to go listen to the concert. So.
I'm longing to see you Wanna know how you been doing over yonder. I gotta catch this flight. When I reach my destination, I hope you miss my.
Show them you could dance. Show them you could dance too. Oh, hey, 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 hey.
Look at the dog. The dog is
Oh, Lord. Lord, you backed it up on the dog. It's my birthday tomorrow. The big 4. Oh. But I feel 21. Kinda look at you, don't I?
You can't even whistle no more.
I'm rubbing hubby's feet as we sit here counting down to his birthday. 7 till the birthday. You need help? Those are opening sparklers.
There, Ma.
1 minute and 10 seconds. The year-old falling asleep. Okay,
Uncle!
Mm-hmm.
Wake up!
I'm waiting for y'all.
Put it away from me, Ma.
y'all don't drop that thing?
I'm gonna burn out before you
We should never do it right now. We're gonna do more. We're gonna do more. Here.
4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, dear Daddy! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you. What a great 40th birthday, my love.
You're welcome.
You've been with me since I've been 25.
I know. A whole 15 years. Come before them pitney abandon the place. Good morning, guys. I'm here making breakfast for hubby. He requested ackee and saltfish for breakfast, so that's what I am getting ready to make. I've already started making the dumpling, and now I'm about to put the saltfish and the ackee in the pot. Alright guys, so this is the ackee and saltfish in its final bubble stage. You try not to move it too much because you don't want to break up the ackee. So it's like porridge, so you just lightly stir it, which is why you put everything else in first. So it maintains this beautifulness. And this is the final look, guys. Plated ackee saltfish dumpling and avocado. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Taylor, go get the eat in bed tray for me.
Happy birthday. And it's not for you music. Back up. Back
Smell
up.
good? Smell good? Smell good? High five.
Hi guys, it is Travis's birthday. It's Saturday, August 6th, and it's Jamaica's Independence Day as well. So today, Travis chose to do a service for his birthday, so he is giving away haircuts today in partnership with the Shifa Clinic in Charleston. And it's a back to school event, grocery food giveaway. So we're here. He's already inside. I had to park the car. So I'm giving you guys a quick update on what it is and where we are. Let's go see what's going on.
¿En qué concurso van? ¿En qué canción van? No.
Hi, my name is Dr. Khan. I'm the medical director for Shifa Free Clinic. Today we're having a back to school event, and this event is possible by the community donors or volunteers, our amazing team, our staff. And today we are providing backpacks, school supplies, ice creams, hygiene kits. We also have a health fair going that will do diabetes, blood pressure, anemia, as well as colon and lung cancer screening, and a COVID vaccination station. In addition to all that, we're also giving away fresh produce. So it's an amazing event, and we are thankful to the community of Charleston to come together to hold this event. And we have an amazing Travis who is donating his time to provide haircuts to others, the children, so they can be prepared for school. Thank you, Travis.
We just finish up giving back, because any way to receive, the best way to receive, that you have to give. So today is on my birthday, but the best way to me, a blessing is to be a blessing to others. So we was out here at the Shifa Clinic giving free haircuts, doing what I love to do the best, seeing smiles on kids' faces, letting them go to school being fresh. That's what it's all about. Cuts to go mobile. We come, we cut, we go. All right, stay tuned. We had a lot of customers today. I had fun. I had fun doing what I love to do.
He did. We're back home, and the girls enjoyed the luau party while we were gone. Yep. Let me see the hula moves.
Let's go.
Okay, hula, hula, go hula. Hi guys, welcome back to Making It with the Matthews.
Hi guys! Welcome back.
Alright guys, so in today's video we are doing a Starlight in Love business special. So today we're going to a girls' night out event and my business is participating. It's at the Porter Room in Charleston. I'm just gonna put it here, okay? I'm just gonna put it here. Anyways, we're running late. Setup is between 2:30 and 4:30. It is now 2:30, so we're gonna hit the road and get set up for the event. We are so excited. The girls are coming. These are the affirmations that are behind me. This is the original collection, and let me show you the unapologetic collection. So this is the unapologetic collection, guys. And we have some other things, but everyone's setting up. I'm here. Everyone's setting up. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Taylor's giving our table a new design. I'm liking it already. She's the table designer. Mara's organizing the buttons. I'm trying not to move too fast because it is hot. I almost liked how it was like, I don't know, those two that's around the front, were those there before?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to change it?
Yeah, I don't like that.
I don't know, I have 3 things in my
Oh,
car.
those need wiping off. Some of them got messed up.
You don't want one up like this so they can see it?
Sure. That's good. Yeah, I like that look. I'm gonna be alright. Alright. Oh, the bag is so cute, guys. I love what it says. Don't be a lady, be a legend. Nice. We did it, baby girl. Well, you did it. Thank you.
We did it.
We did it.
How to feel it.
I'm gonna be alright. Okay. Alright. Taylor, this design is epic. This setup?
You really like it?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're all set up and ready to go. This is our setup. Taylor did a fantastic job, you guys. Like, fantastic. Alright, so I'm gonna go and get my stuff together so that we can come back feeling all the vibes. So I'm gonna go in the car and cool down. Oh, by the way, my favorite vendor, Lula and Soul, guys. Anything in my house that you like, I probably got it from her. Just so cute. I have this. I have a lot. I have this. I haven't used it yet, but I got this from her for my kitchen. I think I'm gonna get the candles, a few other things. I just love everything she makes. Oh my gosh, she has crochet mats.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So some me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, da, 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 Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration.
This is where the fashion show is going to be. It's right on the marsh, guys. Make them yourself?
I do.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
She's in town, so helping me set up and decorate and hang out.
Oh, that's awesome. Yes, what's this?
Yeah, that's a strawberry basil galette. That's my favorite.
Which one's the coconut rum cake? This one?
Yeah, they can make that.
Well, that's probably what I want to get, but this one looks good. This is the strawberry you said?
You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you?
Skills necessary to produce, and I own it. Woo! I needed to hear that. Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
Yes. I love this.
That's for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk out,
Beautiful. Thank you. Hi guys, we're still at the girls' night out. Here with Ashley. Oh. So Ashley does nails. Show them your nails. And she's gonna do my nails. And mine. All right, guys. The fashion show is starting.
you took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. Me sticking with love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. Against you, I just hope that it.
Alright guys, this is the end because the camera is dying. So please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Catch y'all in the next video.
Yeah.
Work, work, work,